Okay, let's take a look at graphing functions in 3 dimensions. So what I've got here is a 3-dimensional grid, and what I want to do is look at just a simple function, a quadratic function in 3 dimensions. I'm also going to turn on a couple planes here so to help us remember which axis is which. Here's the plane x equals 4. All right, so that red line is the x-axis, and if I turn on z equals 4, this blue line is the z-axis, and the green then is obviously the y-axis. So I've got my function over here, f of x comma y is equal to x squared. Notice that's different than f of x. And so that f of x comma y actually behaves as a z. So if I look at this, this is similar to graphing z equals x squared, which we would expect to be a quadratic. When we graph it, we see it definitely has quadratic behavior. In fact, if I pin it down to just looking at the z-axis and the x-axis here, we see that it does definitely just has quadratic behavior, but that it's poled infinitely in the y direction. So it takes that parabola and pulls it in the y direction, giving you that 3D curve. If I take and add on something to this equation, this f of x comma y equals x squared, let's say we add on a y, what we would expect then is that this parabola would no longer go straight along the y-axis, but that it would have some sort of linear behavior that would change it. So it wasn't straight back down the y, but maybe at a slant. And so if we hit enter and graph it, we might have to wait a second here. But we see that this curve definitely then takes on this, this slant here. And we would suspect that it would, or at least I might suspect that it would be kind of slanted along the line y equals z. And if we turn on the line y equals z, we see that yellow line there, that it does in fact go along the line y equals z. So knowing behavior of functions in 2 dimensions and kind of getting a feel for the 3-dimensional functions can help you make predictions and understand what's going on in 3 dimensions. So this is just a simple example of taking something we're pretty comfortable with and applying it to a 3rd dimension.